What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to wrap the text around the circle and it will shape like this. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Canva, and don't forget to do the login first with your email, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And after that you can go to this create and you can go to this custom size, and I will choose this paper measurement or the project blank page. Click it, and after that it will direct you into this new tab as your project background. And after that you can start to click this element, and for example you can choose the shapes and click this basic shape. For example, create the circle, and I will start to add the stroke. For example, this one to be 10, and I will also remove the filled color like this. And the next step will be adding the text. So you can click this text and click heading. And for example, you can create it, let's say, to make the sample for your document or for your logo of your organization or business. You can apply this tutorial to make that stuff. And for example, I will start to create the type organization logo, for example. And after that, keep this text being selected, and after that you can go to this effect, scroll down, and you will find this curve. You'll see that this text only being curved, let's say for the a half or 180 degree. So you can create this to become circular like this. You can adjust the intensity of this curve, let's say to become like this. And after that you can move this text to become in the middle of it. And you can also adjust the size of this circle, for example, excuse me, like this. And after that I will put it back over here. So this will be the wrap text around this circle or surround this circle. So don't forget to try this tutorial, and you can let us know if this tutorial also worked for you. So that's it guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.